Should I wait for you?
No, go. Get to
I will take this. I will take this. With just the right amount of momentum, you can skateboard to the beach with one pump. You gotta squat down low to maintain your low profile aerodynamic skateboard stance. I think I got this. Hey, ice cream man. Okay, 1.5 pumps. And I made it to the... Yo! Swim out to the raft and then trampoline session? Sure. I'm leaving in like an hour, so you want to come out to the raft? Come on. I'm coming, man, I'm coming.
You know anything about wearing fucking flippers?
Yeah, they look awesome, they're fun to walk in. Carefully, only the top gets wet. Made it out to the raft, cell phone's only a little bit wet. I'm so stoked. You can almost see Candace, she's right there, right? That's Candace, right there. Alrighty, let's see the gainer. You got like 3 seconds before I run out of space. 3, 2, just do it! Oh, missed it. Okay, now I'm recording. Every time it looks like you're gonna break your neck. Okay, from this angle you're gonna look high no matter what. Go! Well, you definitely looked high. Alright, time to put the phone in the Ziploc bag and try to get it in without wrecking it. Made it back in. The phone is like, on a scale of 1 to soaked, like a 3. You okay in there?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have to be in the car in like, what, 45 minutes? Okay, bye. Bye, ladies. That's it. Beach day's over. Driving back to the city now. What's up, Brady?